Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to create chord diagram in Power BI. So for this, we'll go on the canvas of Power BI. Click on Get More Visuals and select the chord diagram. Here is it. Click on it. Press Add. By pressing this Add, this app will get installed in the visualization interface. Here is it. Click on it. Now click on this and from. So in from, select the segment. 2. We'll select the year. And in values, we'll select sales. Now activate the focus mode. So this is the year 2014. The largest sales in this year is from the consumer. In 2015, our largest sales is again from the consumer. In 2016, consumer. And 2017 also, it's a consumer. Now in 2014, uh, the less sales are coming from home offices. Similarly, in 2015, see see this thickness of this chord. The thickness of the chord represents the sales. Now, if I replace this sales with the profit, let's see what happens. So now the thickness of this chord represents the profit. More the chord thickness, more the profit. So let's talk about 2016. So consumer is a very profitable business in 2016. Now, this particular segment can be replaced by region, that in which region we are doing good, in which year. So, in 2014, the chord thickness is more for west. In 2015 also, in 2016 also the chord thickness is more. In 2017 also, no, in 2017 the chord thickness is more for east also and for west also. So this is how you can create chord diagrams in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like and share my videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter, link given in the description box.